On today's rig review, we're checking out my old Kyosho Blizzard. I've had this rig for quite a few years. I purchased it used off of RC Crawler many years back. When I got it, the body was horribly trashed. It had the original style body on it, original to the kit, and it was in bad shape. So I picked up one of the newer gen bodies and I painted it up to look like one of the local sheriff's cars from around here. The black and white scheme even has the accurate decals and all that stuff, done by someone that was into the miles, like a water slide decal. I wanted to try to scale the body out to make it look like a search and rescue type thing. So I had some original Coltech Tamiya club lights on there. That was a guy, he made all kinds of custom machine parts, and he had made off-road lights, so that was pretty cool. I put those across the roof. It's got the old style NYPD Vector light bar. Buddy of mine, he gave that to me from the NRCTPA back in the day. Thanks, Bobby. And then just your typical stuff, Proline roof rack, some Proline scale accessories. I put a little stack in the back, and then I had like a fuel cell and a rear recovery winch, just trying to, detail it out a little bit, more or less. This is one of the original Blizzards, so it's the single motor. Some people either really like that one or they don't. I did all the necessary mods to it, so ball bearings. It's got the super thick diff fluid, I think it's like 100K or something like that. And then I also did the, it was like a paste type stuff on the metal rotors, so this way the brakes aren't so grabby. I have the carbon fiber ones. They're actually on the shelf that it sits on. I haven't had a chance to put those in yet, but you'll see in the video footage I shot for it. It's not too grabby. It works pretty well. It's got a sorry, not Kyosho. It's got a Traxxas Villian brushless system in it. Works great. I run it on 3S, and the thing roofs the snow pretty good. It's a lot of fun. I'll take you up close and personal with it real quick, and then we're going to dive right into this thing ripping the snow from the snowstorm this past week. I got some pretty good footage of it slinging it, so yeah, I think you guys are going to want to check it out. Thanks. So here she is. See, she's pretty much your typical Blizzard. Like I said, I tried to add some scale details to it. You can see I've got the axial weapon rack in there on the window to go with the whole sheriff's theme. And you can see the Proline rack and all that, those goodies. It's got a scratch built fuel cell out of styrene and an old Jugster winch that my buddy Kevin machined up for me. Like I said, just try to keep it pretty simple, keep it looking pretty realistic. Left the body pins out so you guys can see. Nothing crazy. This is pretty much how the majority of the guys that own this one set it up. Everyone seems to like this Traxxas system for them because, waterproofing and all that stuff. So, yeah, this is it. Started facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies, and battles happen everywhere. I don't need any hero to save me. I don't know why the kids always crying. I've been thinking about all the captains, but we left in a wasted planet. I thought I had it all together, but I'm waking up sad. You don't need to show your faded love anymore to them. Feel the spark and city light when it's day to night. That's the sparkles from my breaking heart. I break it so hard. Break it so hard. Break it so hard. Break it so hard.
take it so high.